inside you whisper, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there.
Yeah, day 2.
Oh, hey, my stuff is too tall. Hi, welcome back to day 2 of a completely different day, not the same day.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
It's definitely been 2 days. I just like to wear the same clothes. Here is our egg 2 days later. Stop it. All right, looks a little bit different. I definitely need gloves. Safety first. Need gloves. Don't run away.
That's a no-no in the lab. You don't run. Shh. We won't tell anybody though.
Gloves. All right. Now, one thing that we skipped yesterday, or 2 days ago, was filling in our little day 1 before picture. So we put the egg in a solution that was 5% acetic acid. So it's like 5% solute. If your lab doesn't have those percents on it, then don't worry about it. I don't know if all of them do. But we want to show that we put the egg in the beaker, and now we want to see how the size of the egg compares to when we left it off a couple days ago. Does that egg look bigger or smaller? What do y'all think? Bigger! All right, that egg is definitely bigger than we left off, so we're just going to draw a little bigger there. Now, let's actually get some quantitative data and see how much our egg weighs. Follow me, come this way. All right, let's dump this out in the sink. Be very careful, don't kill the egg. All right. There's the egg. Now, what happened to the eggshell? It is mostly gone. Because remember that chemical reaction that was happening? The calcium carbonate of the eggshell was reacting with the acid in the vinegar. Well, that reaction was breaking down the eggshell, and so now it's gone. We had to do that first because that eggshell was preventing any diffusion from happening. We had to get rid of that eggshell so materials could move in and out of the egg, because now we have a cell membrane. The cell membrane is going to control what goes in and out. And let's see what happened to the mass. Wait, was I zeroed out? I gotta make sure I'm zeroed out. All right, how does that compare to what it was before? 70.0. What happened to our mass? Coach Munch, what happened to our mass?
I think it got bigger.
Definitely got bigger. So that means that water moved into the egg. Water moves in, cell gets bigger. And so if water is moving into the egg, is that a hypertonic solution or a hypotonic solution? I'll leave that up to you to figure out. Was that vinegar hypotonic or hypertonic to the egg? Egg got bigger, gained mass. Which kind of solution does that to a cell? Now, we need to make our next hypothesis. So you need to go back to the previous page and do your day 2 hypothesis. Today we're going to put the egg in corn syrup. And could you get the beaker? I'm going to need more syrup. Now we want to make sure we use 200 milliliters of corn syrup again, and that we clean our beaker.
Should we get a different one?
No, I'm just going to clean it. All right, clean, clean, clean. Good enough. Okay. It's the best cord placement ever. Okay. Now, syrup, 200 milliliters. Yay. Boom. And put our egg into the solution. Wait, did you make your hypothesis yet? Pause me. Go write your hypothesis. We're going to put the egg in syrup. Day 2 hypothesis. If the egg is placed in syrup, then it will, what do you think is going to happen to the egg? For day 2 in the syrup. We're going to leave this in here for 24 hours. Boop, and see what happens to the egg. That's a fat egg. There we go. Okay. Go ahead and fill out your day 2 before. Draw your little picture there. I don't know the percent of solute. We can just leave that blank. And then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what happened to that egg. Thanks again. See you later.